Students, in this class we are going to be learning the reduction formula for this particular pattern, integral 0 to pi over 2 sine mx times cos nx times dx, where m and n are even. So the formula is going to be starting like this. The numerator is going to be n negative 1 divided by the denominator is going to be m positive n times n negative 3 divided by m positive n negative 2 times n negative 5 divided by m positive n negative 4, and so on it goes. The last term for this is going to be 1 over m positive 2. So this is the first part you got to know. Now the second part is going to be starting with m negative 1 divided by, now we started with m positive n, right? Now just drop n and write m. So it's going to be m negative 1 divided by m, and then m negative 3, I told you drop n, so it's going to be m negative 2. And if you were to continue on, the last two quantities is going to be 1 over 2 times pi over 2. So this has to be closed with a parenthesis. Now let us try a question. So they ask you to evaluate integral 0 to pi over 2 sine raised to the power 4x times cos raised to the power 6x times dx. Now the value of m is 4, the value of n is 6. So start applying. N is 6, 6 negative 1 divided by m is 4 added with 6 times n is 6, 6 negative 3 divided by 4 positive 6 negative 2 times n is 6, 6 negative 5 divided by 4 positive 6 negative 4. So 6 negative 5 is already 1, so we don't need to apply the formula further. Now following it up with m is 4, 4 negative 1 divided by 4 times 4 negative 3 divided by 4 negative 2 times 4 negative 3 and 4 negative 2. This is going to be half, so the last term should be pi over 2. So close the parenthesis. 6 negative 1, 5, 4 positive 6, 10 times 6 negative 3, 3, 4 added with 6, 10, negative 2 will give you 8, 6 negative 5, 1, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, giving you 6. Close the parenthesis, and for this it's going to be 4 negative 1, 3 divided by 4, 4 negative 3, 1, 4 negative 2, 2, pi over 2. So this is equal to 5 divides 10 2 times, 3 times 1, 3, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 6, 36, 3, 96, okay? So now you got 3 times pi, 3 pi, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So this is going to be equal to 3 times 3 pi is 9 pi. Now 16 times 96, you got to multiply here, 16, 96, 6 times 6, 36, 3, 54, 57, 6, 9, 6, 13, 1, 10, 10 and 50, 1536. So this is going to be 1536. So this is your final answer.